Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to another interesting video. In this video I'm going to discuss exercise 2.7. Here we have question number 2. The sum of the square of three consecutive integer is 50. Find the integer. So the solutions of the given question is, but first we have let first integer is equal to x. We have to assume the first integer, which is equal to x. Then the second integer will be equal to, then we put the second integer, then second integer is equal to x plus 1. Second integer is equal to x plus 1, and the third integer and third integer we will put x plus 2. So here we have three consecutive integer. Now according to the given condition which we are given in the question, so we have to write according to the given condition. According to the given condition which we are given in the question, so we will put x square, x whole square, and plus x plus 1 whole square plus x plus 2 whole square is equal to 50. Now to apply the square on each terms, we get x square, and x plus 1 whole square is equal to x square plus 1 plus 2x, and x plus 2 whole square is equal to x square plus 4 plus 4 plus 4x is equal to 50. Now we will add the similar terms. I mean, x square plus x square plus x square is 3x square, and 2x square plus 4x, 2x plus 4x is 6x, and 1 plus 4 is 5 is equal to 50. Now we can write again 3x square plus 6x plus 5 plus 5 minus 50 if we subtract 50 both sides. Now we can write again 3x square plus 6x minus 45, because plus 5 minus 50 is minus 45, and plus 50 minus 50 cancels, so we get 0. Now it's a quadratic equation. We can solve using factorization method. So here we split 6x into two terms, which is plus 15x minus 9x, because if we add plus 15x minus 9x, we get 6x. So from here, from past two terms, if we take 3x as a common factor, so we get x plus 5, and from second two terms, if we take minus 9, so we get x plus 5 is equal to 0, which give us x plus 5 into 3x minus 9 is equal to 0. Now we get x plus 5 into 3x minus 9 is equal to 0. Now here we have to use zero factor property. So by using zero factor property, we can write x plus 5 is equal to 0, or if we subtract by both sides, so we get x is equal to minus 5, and another one is 3x minus 9 is equal to 0. If we add 9 both sides, so we get 3x is equal to 9. then divide by 3, so we get x is equal to 3, and x is equal to minus 5. Now it's the value of x, and now we have to write for past x is equal to 3. If we take x is equal to 3, so we will get the past integer. Past taking x is equal to 3, take a positive number, so past integer, we have past integer which is x is equal to 3. Then the second integer will be x plus 1. So if we put the values of x, we will get second integer is equal to x plus 1. Now if we put x is equal to 3, so 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. This is the second integer. And the third integer is equal to x plus 2. So if we put the values of x, which is 3, so 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So we have past integer 3, second is 4, and third is 5. Now if we put the values of x, or we take, now taking x is equal to minus 5. Now taking x is equal to minus 5, so the past integer here we have past integer is minus 5, and if we take second integer, I mean x plus 1, so putting the values of x, minus 5 plus 1 is equal to minus 4, so we have second integer is minus 4, and third integer is x plus 2. Third integer is x plus 2, so putting the values of x, which is minus 5 plus 2, is equal to 3. So we have past integer is minus 5, second is minus 4, and third is minus 3. Hence the required integer are 3, 4, 5, and minus 4, minus 5, minus 4, and minus 3. And it's all about today's lecture.